Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Epidemic sound into Adobe Premiere Pro, beginner guide step by. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create or open the project you want to work on. Go to the top menu and select Window. From the drop-down list, choose Essential Sound. In the Essential Sound panel, look for an option to connect library. Ensure you are signed into your Epidemic Sound account. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, access the Epidemic Sound library. Search for the music or sound effect you wish to use. You can filter results based on genre, mood, or tempo. Preview the tracks by clicking the play button next to each one. Once you find the right track, click on the Import button. The track will then automatically download into your Adobe Premiere project. Locate the imported track in your project media panel. Drag the track onto your timeline where needed. Adjust the audio levels as necessary to blend with your video. You can also trim the audio clip to fit your scene. Once satisfied, continue editing your project as usual. Remember to save your project regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.